To play these levels, make sure go to the settings in your profile section, go to profile and go to the settings option to enable high mode graphics. Go to general settings for that, and make sure the graphics quality is not low or medium. Make sure it is at high. Okay, so you have to make sure it is in high. And there's also a performance settings which is power saving mode. Disable it if it is enabled. So let's get started, guys. I will give you slow motion tutorial for these levels, like level 16. So first you have to go to left, then middle, then right, and make sure you stay at right corner. Get as many as soldiers you can, and then move to left. In middle, stay in middle. You have to sacrifice some soldiers. Stay in the middle and get this AKM. Once you get AKM, then slide to right and get the second AKM and stay at the right, and you'll get M5. After that, stay at 2 soldiers in left and stay at this moment to get these 3 soldiers at the end, and you will get 3 soldiers plus the vehicle. And you can now scroll left and right to avoid the monster attack, so that your damage can be reduced and your attack can be more vicious. So you can see the monster is getting weakened, and boom guys, we have defeated the big monster and our mission is completed. I hope this tutorial helps you. Then please subscribe to more content like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon.